What up, 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 Crypto Warriors and Sergeant Crypto back at it again. Today is Sunday, June 21st, 2020. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there and to all the single moms pulling double overtime. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett. Think about that. I think that also applies to the crypto market as well, but it just happens a lot faster than in the stock market. Let's get into it. This is from Investopedia. Buffett's bet with hedge funds, and the winner is, so back in 08, just give you a quick synopsis here. Back in 2008, Warren Buffett issued a challenge to the hedge fund industry, which in his view charged exorbitant fees that the fund's performances couldn't justify. Protege's partners LSC accepted, and the two parties placed $1 million bet. Long story short, Buffett wins, and the hedge fund manager had to concede because he lost. Buffett said that the S&P 500 could outperform any hedge fund manager over a 10-year period. And before the 10-year period was up, the hedge fund manager conceded. My point in showing you all this is, and you'll get to it, I'll get to it eventually, is stop trying to trade to all of the noobs out there. If you're not going to take this seriously, if you just think that this is gambling or something, right? Especially with the market continually going up because of the fact that the Fed keeps pumping funds into the stock market. Don't think that you could just throw a dart at anything and you'll continually be winning. This whole market is a farce. We all know that, but just be careful out there is all I'm saying. Next, here's the case for Bitcoin. Rise to 180K according to Weiss Rating. So Weiss Rating came out and says that Bitcoin can hit 180K. All right. In a new review, the top cryptocurrency, the firm says the financial world is beginning to wake up to the true potential of Bitcoin as a safe haven asset. The firm points to the growing demand for shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust as a sign of rising institutional interest. Between the third quarter of 2019 and the first quarter of 2020, the amount invested in GBTC, that's Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, more than doubled from $388.9 million to $818.5 million. Weiss believes the entry of billionaire hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones into the Bitcoin futures market shows institutions are paying increasing levels of attention to the crypto market. Weiss calls Bitcoin the one safe haven asset with the most profit potential in an environment where a central bank prints money at will. And that's what I've been saying for the longest, that in the long run, Bitcoin will outperform the traditional markets. And if you're not already in the Bitcoin game, you need to get into the Bitcoin game. Not financial advice, of course, but do not think that this is the overnight get rich quick scheme, because you may have seen during the big run up in 2017. I like to give my own example of jumping into the crypto space because I saw a lot of people getting rich. However, the fact of the matter is these people were in the Bitcoin space since 2016 and earlier. They didn't just have 10 Bitcoin, 100 Bitcoin overnight. Okay, they took their time to build their position over a period of time, and when the run-up happened in 2017, they basically cashed out, and that was like the results of building a position over time. Next, quick look at Weiss Rating. If you don't know who they are, come check them out right here. This is just a page of their crypto asset ratings, and they gave different ratings on different cryptocurrencies. So there it is. This right here, oops, not this one. This is why I went into that whole Warren Buffett thing. The hard truth about trading: can the average Joe succeed? This is a longer article coming out of Cointelegraph, and it breaks down the average Joe thinking that they could follow the lead of basically people they see on TV, people they follow on Twitter or on YouTube, and all these different gurus, and I'm throwing up air quotes here, are giving out, classes or lectures and lessons that you have to pay for to get their secrets on how to make money on the stock markets or trade in cryptos. Don't think that, again, this is a gambling thing. If you have some money on the side that you want to gamble with, go for it, by all means. But in the long run, all right, in the long run, the way how to build wealth in this game is, in my opinion, buying, holding, and cashing out after a period of time, right? Not doing a day-to-day trading thing, trading up and down and thinking that you're going to win against bots, win against the big players that's in the game. Or in some cases, like BitMEX, win against the exchange themselves, because they're also betting against the traders. Since I've been in this space, I've lost, a significant amount of monies trying to trade. Some people are out there making money, yes, but the majority of them are losing money, all right? And I fell victim to that. And I just don't want to see you guys also fall victim to it. Yes, you can make money out there, and you have to take the time, okay, to educate yourself on trading. There are different trading courses out there that are available. You have to be the one to decipher the garbage from the real ones. I like to say, watch people that have actual live trades, that have actual skin in the game, that are not just, sending you to a website where they're selling you a course and they're basing their numbers on that course or whatever the case is, basing their numbers on trades that they put up on their website. They're not just putting up numbers on a website for you to say, oh yeah, that's the trades they made. No, if they're doing actual live trades on YouTube, like it's live and in full HD, and you can actually see their trades, the winning and losing trades, those are the people you need to be following, in my opinion. Because we've seen over the past this past week that a rookie trader kills himself after seeing a negative balance of more than $700,000 in his Robinhood account. I used to trade on Robinhood as well when I first started out. And yeah, I made a few dollars here or there, right? And I was making some money here and there, and trading on Robinhood, okay. But again, I've also lost some money trading on Robinhood. And then they also introduced the options trading, which again, if you're not doing this full time, if you're just doing this part time, please be careful out there doing option trading. And that's what this young person did, and unfortunately took his life. And the reason why I say you got to be careful when you follow certain people, they could make their website have shady numbers, and I'm going to show you right here. And again, the reason why I stated that be careful of these gurus giving you their numbers, right, from their trading accounts and all the profits that they've been making, it is because they could fudge the numbers. Even if they go to a live website, or they're showing you their website live, or whatever the case is, right? They could fudge the numbers and just change them just like that, right there, right in front of you, live in full effect. But if they don't refresh the page, like say for instance, once I refresh the page, boom, it goes back to the original numbers, right? So my point being is, if you just have just a little knowledge on JavaScript, if you just have a little knowledge on JavaScript, then you could change any website to make it look favorable towards what you're trying to sell. And I'm just trying to tell you guys, just be careful out there. Don't listen to all these gurus and everything that they're trying to offer you. If they're not doing live trades, then just be careful. It's very unfortunate that this young man, only 20 years old, killed himself because he got over leveraged and he didn't know what he was doing. So not saying that he was following somebody, but a lot of times that's what happens is we follow a lot of these false prophets, a lot of these fake gurus, and the only way that they actually make money is from the bullshit course that they sell you. Just be careful out there. Thanks for watching. It's Sergeant Crypto. Leave a like, or smash that like, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think. Are you more of a trader, or are you trying to hodl more? What is your game plan for this crypto space? It's Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.